My dear friends, in today's video, we are going to learn mathematics of class 2nd. The chapter for today is Let's Handle Geometric Shapes. Let's handle geometric shapes. My dear students, as you can see, this is a table. This is a table. What is kept on the table, my dear students? What are the things that are kept on the table? A clown's cap, you can see, a mehendi cone, a box, a mithai box, a ball, right? And a matchbox, etc. etc. You can observe the table very carefully. Different things are kept on the table. Let's collect. My dear students, you have to collect some matchstick boxes, cartons of toothpaste, mithai, etc., water bottles, balls of different sizes, or clown's cap and pipes made of card papers. Or at least you can collect these things which are kept on the table. What will we do? We will observe the objects on the table. Okay. Separate the objects of similar shapes. For example, if I want to tell you that separate the objects which have the shape like a cone, then what will you do? You will say me the name of the clown's cap, a mehendi cone, right? If I will tell you that separate the objects which have the shape like a sphere, then what will you do? You will say me the names of ball, cricket ball, this ball, right? If I will tell you that separate the objects which have the shape like a cuboid or parallelopiped, so cuboid, the shape like a cuboid, then you will say me like a mithai box and this box, these have the shape like a cuboid. And if I will tell you that give me the things which have the shape like a cylinder, then what will you do? You will separate these things. Okay, so this jar and these have the shape like a cylinder. Okay, my dear students, so first of all we will learn about cuboid or parallel piped cuboid. My dear students, you can see this is a blue colored cuboid. This shape is known as cuboid. Cuboid or parallelopiped. Pick up and handle a mithai box. If you will see a mithai box is like this. Okay, my dear students, this is a mithai box. We can find laddu, pede in this mithai box. A shape such as this is called a cuboid. The shape like this is called a cuboid or a parallel piped. Okay, you must have seen bricks. I hope that you have seen bricks on construction sites. Whenever there is a new home is being made, you can see lots of bricks there, right? So this is one of them. This is a brick. You must have seen bricks on construction sites, my dear students. Any object shaped like a brick, if any object has a shape like a brick, then it is called a cuboid. We will say it as a cuboid. So this is a cuboid and this is the edge of the cuboid. Edge, this is also edge, this is also edge, edge. Okay, and my dear students, this is the corner of the cuboid. Corner, this is corner, this is the corner, this is the corner, this is the corner. Okay, these are the corners of the cuboid, my dear students. How many edges does this shape have? Please observe this shape or the cuboid very carefully. How many corners? Let's see. A cuboid has how many edges, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we will handle it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8 is that side to that side. Okay, 8 and 9, 10 and 11 to that side and 12 to that side. We cannot see it. It is like this. Okay, my dear students. So a cuboid has 12 edges. A cuboid has 12 edges. And how many corners? 8 corners. You can see these are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th at the back side. We cannot see it. Okay. So there are 12 edges and 8 corners in the cuboid, my dear students. Now let us look at the surfaces of the cuboid. So this is the surface of the cuboid. This is the surface of the cuboid. Okay. They are all flat. You can see the surface of the cuboid is flat. The surface of the cuboid is flat. A cuboid has 6 surfaces. How many surfaces? 6. We can easily count it. 1, 2, and third shape is at the back side, and the fourth shape, no, not shape, flat surface. Okay, 4, and this is fifth and sixth at the downside. So 6 surfaces are there in the cuboid. If we place a cuboid on a slide in a park, it will slip down. Okay, if I will keep it on a slide, then simply it will come from here to here, slipping down. Okay, it will simply slip down because of its flat surface. It has a flat surface, so it will slip down. It will simply slip down. Find out the objects on the table of cuboid shape. So this object has a shape of cuboid, and this is cuboid. Okay, and this is a small cuboid, the matchbox. Now, my dear students, we will learn about cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Now, let's take a look at the clone's cap. This is a clone's cap you have made. You can make this clone's cap at home. Its shape is called a cone. So, this is the shape of a cone, my dear students. The shape like a clone's cap or fool's cap is called a cone. This is a cone. You are familiar with an ice cream cone. Yes, I know that you like the ice cream. And a mehendi cone, right? A mehendi cone also has the shape like a cone. Okay, my dear students? A cone has one edge and one corner. So this is the one corner and one edge. So this is the edge of the cone. You can see this is the edge. A cone has one edge and one corner. So if I will take the cone like this, then this is the corner of the cone and this is the circular edge of the cone. The flat base of a cone is circular. So this is the flat base of the cone. Flat base of the cone, and this is circular. You can see it is in the shape of this is like a circle. Okay. My dear students, see how the sloping surface of a cone turns continuously around. So you can see it is continuously around. Okay, turns around. It is called the curved surface. So this surface is curved surface. Okay, so we can say it is the curved surface of the cone. Now we will learn about cylinder. Okay, now look at the water bottle. This is a water bottle. The shape of the bottle is called a cylinder. The shape of the bottle is called a cylinder. A bottle like shape which has a circular base is called a cylinder or a circular prism. We can say cylinder as a circular prism as well. Okay, my dear students, so this is a cylinder and it is also called as circular prism. Okay, this is the circular base of the circular prism or the cylinder. Okay, so there are two circles in a cylinder or a circular prism, my dear students. A cylinder has two edges. This is one edge and here you can see the another edge. Okay, but not a single corner, but there is no corner in the cylinder. The base and the top surface of a cylinder are alike, means same to same, flat. So you can see this is the flat surface and this is also the flat surface. Okay, and circular, the shape is like a circle. The turning surface between them is a curved surface. So this is also a curved surface, my dear students. You can see here, this is the flat top surface of the cylinder. This is the curved surface of the cylinder, and this is the flat bottom surface of the cylinder, my dear students. Place a cylinder on a slide in a park. If we will keep it on a slide in a park, then what will happen? Does it slip downwards or roll down? If you will keep it facing the base downside, then simply if the flat surface is touching the slide, then simply it will slip down. Okay, but if the curved surface is touching the slide, then it will roll down. Okay, so we can say that it can slip down from here and it can roll down from this side. Okay, my dear students, when we place an object with its flat surface on a slide, it slips down. I have told you. But if we place its curved surface on the slide, the objects roll down. Very good, roll down. You can see this clearly with the help of a cylinder. My dear students, now we will learn about sphere. Sphere. A ball is said to be spherical. Spherical. Tell me, spherical. Repeat it. Spherical. A ball is said to be spherical. Sphere. A shape like a ball is called a sphere. A shape like a ball is called a sphere. A sphere has no edges and no corner. There is no corner in the sphere and there is no edges on the sphere. Okay, sphere is like a ball, earth, globe, etc., etc. No part of a sphere is flat. There is no part in a sphere which is flat. It turns continuously. It turns continuously. Thus, a sphere has only a curved surface. Only a curved surface. Okay, my dear students. Does a sphere slip or roll down when it is placed on a slide? Very good. It will roll down. It will not slip. It will roll down because of the curved surface. Okay. Match the pairs. A simple question for you, my dear students. These are the shapes and these are the names of the shapes. Okay. So this is a cuboid. Cuboid. This is sphere. Sphere. This is a cylinder. Cylinder. And this is a cone. This is a cone. My dear students, which is your favorite shape? Which is your favorite shape? Tell me. Okay, good. Thank you. Which of the following objects will slide? Which objects will slide and which one will roll? Look carefully. This is a lemon or lime. So it will simply roll down and it will slide because of the flat surface. And it will slide through this side and it will also roll from this side. Okay. And this will roll. Okay. The lemon will roll down. The compost box will slide down. The jar will slide and roll. The rolling pin will roll. The name of this object is rolling pin. You can easily understand. Handle the objects shown below. Observe and write how many edges and corners each object has. So, my dear students, this box is like a cuboid. So, a cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, my dear students. A cone has only tell me one edge. And how many corners? One corner. Very good. A cylinder has how many edges? two edges. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. And how many corners? No corners, 0 corners. And a sphere has how many edges, my dear students? 0 edges. And how many corners? 0 corners. Very good. Say which of the objects in the pictures will slide, which one will roll, which one will roll and which one will slide. So the dice will slide, the ball will roll, the ring will roll, this coin is sliding down because of the flat surface, and this coin is rolling down because of the curved surface. Very good. So these are the different shapes. Please observe them carefully. Very good. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, spherical, sphere. Sphere like this, cone, cylinder, cube, and a new shape, pyramid. Have you seen the pyramids of Egypt? Very good. ICT tools, my dear students, use paintbrush on your laptop or computer and draw some geometric shapes and color them. Okay, my dear students. So this was our entertaining learning video. See you in the next video, Fun with Line. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.